Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Thursday, August 25th. It is the 237th day of the year. There are 128 days left. Happy National Banana Split Day! Yay!
National Banana Split Day recognizes the sweet ice cream treat served with a banana, whipped cream, and various toppings. Get yours on August 25th. Originally served in drugstores, soda fountains, and ice cream parlors, the banana split is traditionally served in a long dish called a boat. To make a banana split, cut the banana lengthwise and place it in the dish. Then add scoops of vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry ice cream between the slices of banana. Each scoop gets a topping: crushed pineapple to the strawberry, chocolate over the vanilla, and strawberry on the chocolate. And then sprinkle with crushed nuts and garnish with whipped cream and a maraschino cherry. Whether you go out for a banana split or make one at home, be sure to get two, one for you and one to share. Today is also National Burger Day, National Park Service Founders Day, and National Second-Hand Wardrobe Day. It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. Shoutouts today start us off with Mr. H and Ms. King and everyone in the 6th grade program at Barden Elementary School in Salinas, California. Our second shout out goes out to Mrs. Olson and everyone in the Life Skills program at Norco High School in Norco, California. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I hope you loved your shout out. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated super spectacular shout out map. Well, you knew it was going to happen. Let's make a banana split, shall we? Gather the following ingredients: a banana, obviously, some different kinds of fruit, some ice cream, whatever flavors you want, maybe some syrup, some Cool Whip, some cherries, anything that suits you really. Just make sure you have a banana. Now, the thing to keep in mind when making a banana split is, yes, there's a very specific way that they do it in ice cream parlors, but that doesn't mean that's how you have to do it when you're at home. The nice thing about customizing these recipes when you're home is you get to eat exactly what you want. So Mrs. Erickson doesn't really like a lot of pineapple, and so I was like, well, I'm going to make mine my own way. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to slice your banana lengthwise. My banana was super ripe, so you can see it kind of just falls apart. So the more yellow and less spots you have, the easier it'll be to keep it in one piece. But it's delicious either way. So you're going to spread it out in the bowl. And then add in all your fixins. Some berries. I did strawberries and blueberries. And then you're going to add in your scoops of ice cream. 1, 2, 7. Just kidding, don't do 7 scoops of ice cream. You'll have a stomachache. And then the Cool Whip on top and some cherries, maybe a little chocolate syrup. I mean, guys, this is totally customizable and delicious, right?
Okay, National Dayers. So one of my most favorite treats in the world is bananas and chocolate. I think it's like one of the best flavor combinations together. Ooh, my hand is cold. This is a cold bowl. So adding whipped cream and cherries and strawberries and blueberries and ice cream, and oh my gosh, this just gets better by the minute. All right, National Dayers, make a banana split, eat a banana split, get some in your belly today. Keep smiling, have a thoughtful Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Banana, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Yum.